This time, let us use the given formula to check yung questions kanina. By the way, Pythagorean theorem, okay, is to find the missing side of the right triangle. Ito yung tungkulin niya. Hanapin yung missing side ng right triangle. Take note, anak, applicable lang si Pythagorean theorem kapag ang triangle ay right. Pero kapag hindi natin ma-apply si Pythagorean theorem. Okay, now let us try an example. Same scenario tayo. Okay, find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs of 40 inches. Ito yung suot ng television. Then yung height ng television ay 30 inches. Now, how to find the hypotenuse? So, to find the hypotenuse, step 1, write the formula. Okay, this is the formula. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Next step, we need to substitute. What is the value of A or the measure of A? 40. Papalitan natin ito ng 40. Then yung squared ko kopyahin. Then plus, what is B? Magiging 30 squared din po yan. And then si letter C ay missing. So as is yan, kukopyahin lang natin. Then after that, since si letter C anak yung missing, okay, ang gagawin natin, lahat ng missing, lalagay natin sa left. Lahat ng given, lalagay sa right. Okay, or just simply interchange the position of the given. Okay, magiging ganito siya. Interchange lang. Si C squared, dadali sa left side ng equal sign. Then, yung given na measurement, dadali natin sa right side. Anong tawag kapag nag-interchange? Symmetric property po iyon. Ang symmetric property, anak, if A is equal to B, we can say that B is also equal to A. That is symmetric property. Pinagpalit lang natin yung kanilang position. Pero equal pa rin ang magiging result natin dyan. Okay, then after that, simplify na po natin. Multiply muna natin si 40 by itself twice. 40 times 40. 1,600. And 30 times 30. 900. Very good. Okay, then after that, get the sum na po. 1,600 plus 900. Okay, 2,500. Now, do you think 2,500 is already the answer? No po. Bakit? Kasi meron pa tayong square. Okay, kailangan makuha natin, anak, exact value ni C. Kailangan mawala si exponent na 2. Paano po mawawala yan? I-square root natin siya. Then, kung ano yung ginawa mo sa left side, ganun din yung gagawin sa right side. I-square root din natin yan. Then, pwede na natin i-cancel yung squared at yung square root. Letter C na lang ang matitira. Then, ito po, kukunin na natin yung square root. Do you think 2,500 is a perfect square? Yes. And what is the square root of 2,500? Very good, 50. So, therefore, the answer is 50. Thus, we can say that the length of the hypotenuse is 50 inches. O, balikan natin to. Is the label correct? Okay, therefore, 50 inches nga yung television.